Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2016 utility 48 by 102 aluminum combo air ride suspension. Beautiful unit, folks. Turbo blasted, primed and repainted with a universal mounting kit on the back. As you can see, the beams have been cleaned up. Kingpin plate's been checked and verified. Aluminum deck is in excellent condition. Wood strips, excellent condition. Brand new buyer's toolbox. As you can see, the beam condition, very good shape. Brand new rubber, refurbed steel outer rim, air ride suspension, brand new brakes and drums. Universal mounting kit, carries Moffett, Princeton, Load Mac, and many other brands. As we come back to the driver's side, refurbed steel outer rim, brand new rubber all the way around, refurbed ratchets with brand new straps. Folks, this is a beautiful unit. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. This is Equipment Remarketing.